Welcome back. Working on a trailer today. A tire guy here. Oh yeah. Tires, rims, some welding, some electrical. Put the slip grip on. Painting right now. Be ready for the road. Shining. Let's see how she come out. Wow. Oh, that's sure it's gonna look different. Started painting it. Gotta do some welding. Oh, she's coming out so nice. Gotta do some welding there. On this side. Oh, wow. The rims came out better than I could think. Well, looks better than I could imagine. Just gotta get the caps. And gotta finish painting. Gotta put some new lights. Put some graphite. Almost done. A couple more days here. Should be done. Yep, already started putting the new reflective tape. Then tomorrow electrical, welding, and this trailer will be good to roll, at least for a little while. Already did the new brakes, spring brakes, slack adjusters, a bunch of shit. New tires now, new rims. Gonna do a new electrical. New LED lights are going in, and should be ready to roll. Ready to hit the road. Tomorrow's welding, and here we go. I'll polish her up, and so we'll see the after results tomorrow. It was looking good, man. I'm actually excited to get back on the road. I'll finish up these stickers now. Man, a lot of work. Alright, till next time. All done. Well, now done. Almost done. Caps I bought don't fit, so I gotta return them. And sorry about the noise. This lady pulled up with her loud ass reefer. But yeah, tomorrow will be welding and electrical. Got some electrical to do here. Putting new LED lights, new bar, top light, all the lights. I'm putting a camera back here too. Reverse camera on the trailer. Go figure. But yeah, this is my Cottrell Easy Load. Inside the car hauler. Almost done. Got some welding to do. And yeah, looking good. I'm gonna put these little things here, weld these in, so you can step. So something like this. And you just flap it when you're done. Flap it up. That's it. Got those. That way I can, not fall. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy. I'm excited to go on the road. Those rims look fresh as shit. Electrical, cameras. I gotta do the other side of the tape. And yeah, done.